We're at the Japan Mobility Show with this beautiful concept, the Kayoibako. David, you grew up in Japan. Can you give us some insight into what that means?
Right, yeah, so it's a very interesting word that was not used for cars before. But what it is, Kayoibako is very similar to the box that they use in the Toyota factory. When they get the parts, when they receive the parts, it comes in box like this, but it's custom built to that particular box.
Okay.
You take the parts out and this box gets sent over back to the supplier, and then it keeps on looping around, right? So the box is customized to carry a particular number of parts. And what they're saying is that right here, if you guys follow me, that this basically vehicle is like an empty box, ready for customization, ready to be designed to cater to a particular need for customers. And just like this box designed to carry parts, this one designed to carry anything you want. It could be parts, it could be stuff for business, it could be personal need, but the whole car is like an empty box.
And I'll take that a step further because these are reusable.
Yes.
And they're durable. And this is supposed to be something that is very eco-friendly, as it is a fully battery electric vehicle, as most vehicles here at the event are this year.
So it's very flexible and can be fully utilized for many different purposes, but I don't know they will come to North America. Probably won't.
You know, I'm not going to get my hopes up, but it does have a lot of design characteristics from the old Scion XB, which we did get in America. And so if we look at the bumper here, the rear overhang and the front overhang have the same characteristics of the old Scion XB. Now, looking at it from behind, look how wide it is. It's really wide. It's so much wider than the old Scion XB. And the great thing is that we can't open this up, but there is a tailgate that folds down, and then you have a lift gate as well. So it'd be great for adventures. It'd be great for moving objects in and out if you're doing some moving
furniture, business stuff, anything. Yeah, so I think it's like almost like a microvan, but combined with some utility nature of a pickup truck at the same time.
Yeah.
And once again, you can customize it to whatever your needs are, right? That's the neat thing about it. What about the design? What do you think of the actual design of this thing? Let's go back to
I love it.
here.
You know, it is, since we have the windows that are cropped so much around where the passengers typically go, it's not really a passenger van. It's more of a utility van.
Yeah, definitely, because the windows are covered up, right?
Right. However, on some of the models, they do have a glass roof, so that's a little bit more welcoming to passengers if there are some seats in the back. But don't think of this as a family mover or anything like that. I mean, it is customizable, so you could kit it out that way. And the way, you know, another reason I have a little bit of hope of this coming to North America is the off-roading craze is at an all-time high.
Yes.
The adventuring craze. And look how they've kitted out this Kayoibako with the off-roading wheels and tires.
Kayaking.
Exactly.
And even the back here, you know, like a lot of people who buy 4Runner, they like to put the ladder on the rear tailgate, and they have that. So even got a bit of a texture to it, so it's non-slip.
Right.
I think we're allowed to touch it.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is so cool. It's actually not that small now that I'm in front of it. It's not small. Much bigger than a Scion size that they used to have. So like you said, you never know. For commercial application, you know, it could be really good. I think it's a very interesting design because it's a departure from normal Toyota design, right?
It is.
Like in the front.
It has more of a K car design.
Yeah,
very upright, very spacious, but it's way bigger than a K car.
Yeah, definitely.
And that's why I'm holding out hope that it comes to North America. It's one of the cars that I'm most excited about, but also the most disappointed about because, like I said, I don't want to get my hopes up. Probably
like
won't
you said,
come.
You never know.
You never know.
Who knows? But we like the design. I think it makes sense. A bit of an unusual choice of words. You're both not going to remember Kayoibako. That's another clue that it's definitely not meant to be a North American use. But, but I don't know what to do with this box now.
Oh, we'll give it back to the designers.
I thought you were going to put your wallet in here.
Oh, you're going to take it, huh? All right, signing out. We'll see you in the next video from the Japan Mobility Show. Thanks, David.
More to come.